Nidamugeithia mashabiki maitu aria twendete o aria mutwendete na ni undu wa support yanyu nituhetwo award ni YouTube ni undu wa gukinya 100,000 plus subscribers na riu turorete 160,000 subscribers. Koguo continue supporting our channel. Nego higura kiheo giki na itamoniete kiheo niguthoma marua maya me haha matumitwo ni Susan Wong. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Created Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards, you do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations, yours sincerely, Susan Wong. No nego monia kiheo giki. Kigwitwo silver plate and a silver button. Hano kiandikitwo presented to Muigai Kigutha official for passing 100,000 subscribers YouTube. Mu nigwenda kumucokeria ngatho ni undu wa support yanyu. Ngai amurathime na muturie matuko maingi.